What's up fam, it's Arun here, and today I'm going to be making a video about fractions, decimal and percentages. Now I've missed you guys and I didn't make a lot of videos, so because of SEA it's a lot of stress and it's getting me beaten up. I'd have to do papers every day, stress. And for other kids that don't SEA too, I feel your pain, man. But listen to me, we're gonna get through it together. Don't worry about it. So, anyway, let's move on to the lesson. So, fractions. Let's make a quick recap about those. I know I made a video about that the other day, but I mean, you know what I'm saying. In the past, very long. Okay, so fractions, right? They're parts of a whole. Like say a third, 1/3. That's 1 out of 3. That's 1 out of 1. 1 out of a whole, sorry. It's like, say I have 1 cake and you cut it into 3. You only have 1, right? So if you remove 1, you'll have 2 remaining, so you get 2/3, right? So, okay, so let's move on to this session. So let's begin with a half. Easy. So a half as a fraction is 1/2. I think we all know that. So 1/2. We have that there on the board paper. And to change a decimal is quite strange. You have to divide the numerator, which is a number on top, right here, and you have to divide it by the denominator, which is a 1 below. So the decimal now, well, it will be equal to 1 divided by 2, right, like that. So now let's go in our working column. Put an equal sign there. Now you can do it anywhere in division, it doesn't matter. So we put it 2 outside and we put a 1 inside. So let's see, 2 cannot go into 1. So we put 0, right? Then we add a decimal point, right? See that, guys? Then you add a 0 here. Then what remains here? 1, so you put the 1 here. So now this number becomes 10. So what multiplied by 2 will give you 10? That's right, 5. So it'll be 0.5 is a decimal for a half. Now, you may be wondering, wait, how you change the percentage? Well, that's our next step, my friends. So now, if we're going to change the percentage now, 0.5 multiply by 100. Now, people will get confused in this part. So what you're going to do, an easier way, is do this. See 2 zeros here. That's the amount of places you're going to move the point. Now, if it's a division, you move it to the left. But we're multiplying, so you move it to the right. Let's move it 2 times. 1, 2. 2 times. Let's see. That will give us 50%. Right there, my friends. Beautiful. Art. So the same thing goes with every other fraction, decimal, percentage. Now, so do you know how to change a quarter? As I did it here. Do you know how to change a quarter into a decimal? That's right. A quarter. 1 divided by 4. Excellent, guys. Amazing. So let's do that one time. And let me give you some help with that. And now, see this part right here. When you have the 0, you put a 1 here, that's 10. But 2 multiplied by 4 will give you 8. So you get 2 remainder. So we add another 0. And then you put 2 above it, so it becomes 20. And what can multiply by 4 to give you 20? 5. So the answer will be 0.25. And now, can you help me now? What is the percentage? If you guess 25, you're correct. And how do you work that? Good. 0.25 multiplied by 100. Amazing. You're learning very fast. That's the answer, my friends. Now, when you're doing this, you may want to do this and work it out on paper, okay? Because if you work it out mentally, you will make a couple of mistakes. Trust me, I did that a lot of times. It doesn't go smoothly. It's like a bumpy road, can never get smooth. Anyway guys, so that's the end of our session. Hope you enjoyed this little video of me. After SCA, think we might make some more. Who knows? It could be about this, it could be more fun things planned on in the future. We shall decide again, my friends. Adios amigos, bye.